student, in last lecture we have discussed the fragmentation pattern for the cyclic alcohol. Now today's lecture we have discussed the mass spectrum and fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol. Then what is the fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol? We take the example, the benzyl alcohol as a representative example. The benzyl alcohol is aryl alcohol. We take this alcohol as a representative for the fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol. Then what is the possible fragmentation for this aryl alcohol? Generally, the molecular ion peak for the aryl alcohol are strong in nature. Its molecular ion peak are generally the strong in nature. Then what is the possible way of fragmentation for the aryl alcohol? To discuss the fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol, we take the benzyl alcohol as a representative example. The molecular ion peak for the aryl alcohols are generally strong in nature. It is a characteristic feature for the mass spectrum of aryl alcohol. Then what is the possible way of fragmentation for the aryl alcohol? The aryl alcohol undergoes the first mode of fragmentation is it undergoes electron ionization. After the electron ionization, there is a formation of molecular ion takes place. This molecular ion is formed. After the formation of this molecular ion, it undergoes alpha cleavage, the loss of hydrogen radical. This loss of hydrogen radical to gives the fragment ion. This is the resonance stabilized oxonium ion is formed. Generally, the molecular ion form which have mass to charge ratio 108. Then further it undergoes the loss of hydrogen radical. The corresponding formation of M-1 peak take place. The corresponding formation of M-1 peak take place. It has mass to charge ratio 107. It is a M-1 peak and the mass to charge ratio is 107. Then what is the another way of fragmentation? Then this, after the loss of hydrogen radical, this cation is formed, hydroxy, this benzyl carbocation is formed. It undergoes rearrangement, further it undergoes the rearrangement. Consider this oxonium ion. Have another resonating structure, it is a benzyl carbocation. Then it undergoes the rearrangement and converted into the hydroxytroponium ion takes place. There is a formation of hydroxytroponium ion. The first way of fragmentation in aryl alcohol are after the electron ionization, molecular ion is formed. This molecular ion undergoes loss of hydrogen radical by alpha cleavage process to give the fragment M-1 fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 107. After the formation of this M-1 fragment ion, which is benzyl carbocation, these are the two resonating structure of benzyl carbocation. This benzyl carbocation well stabilized by lone pair electron present on oxygen, this oxonium ion. It undergoes rearrangement and converted into the hydroxytroponium ion. There is a formation of hydroxytroponium ion. This hydroxytroponium ion undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. It undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Then first, before the loss of carbon monoxide, first it undergoes, we can write this resonance form, and through this resonance form, the loss of carbon monoxide occurs. There is loss of carbon monoxide. The loss of carbon monoxide, this carbon monoxide is eliminated. The loss of this carbon monoxide molecule occurs and use cyclohexadienide. There is a formation of the cyclohexadienide cation. There is a formation of this fragment ion take place. The cyclohexadienide cation is formed. The cyclohexadienide cation have mass to charge ratio 79. This is the third fragment. Generally, this is the benzyl alcohol. We take the representative example for hello sir. होगा कसं केले 4:45 कसं केलं बताओ मी आल्यानंतर मग आपण वाटते मी येतो चालू लेक्चर Good morning, student. In last online lecture, we have discussed the fragmentation pattern for cyclic alcohol. Then, what is the possible way of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol? Cyclic alcohol undergoes the fragmentation in three different ways: alpha cleavage by loss of hydrogen radical, then alpha cleavage by breaking carbon-carbon single bond, and then 1,5 hydrogen, 1,4 hydrogen shift to give by loss of ethyl radical, propyl radical to use acroleum ion cation. And the third possible way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol are the dehydration. In this lecture, we have discussed the fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol. To discuss the fragmentation pattern for the aryl alcohol, we take a representative example, benzyl alcohol. The mass spectrum of benzyl alcohol or generally aryl alcohol shows the strong molecular ion peak. The molecular ion peak in the mass spectrum for aryl alcohol generally have strong in nature. They have relatively high intensity. And what is the possible way of fragmentation? Generally, this benzyl alcohol gives the four most important fragment ion. The mass to charge ratio of this fragment ion at 100 is molecular ion fragment. Then another fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 107. Then another fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 79. Then another one is mass to charge ratio 77. And one more fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 51. These are the possible fragment for the benzyl alcohol. Then what is the mechanistic pathway for the formation of the structure of this fragment ion at this mass to charge ratio? What is the possible way of fragmentation? The first, benzyl alcohol undergoes electron ionization to produce molecular ion which have mass to charge ratio 108. Then it undergoes alpha cleavage by loss of hydrogen radical. The loss of hydrogen radical occurs to produce this benzyl carbon which is stabilized by Pulsar effect of oxygen, lone pair electron oxygen. By loss of hydrogen radical, the M-1 fragment is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 107. After the formation of M-1 fragment, it undergoes rearrangement. This M-1 fragment ion undergoes rearrangement to produce hydroxypropylium ion. This is it is a propylium ion, but it have hydroxy group. There is formation of hydroxypropylium ion or cation take place. This hydroxypropylium ion undergoes subsequent loss of carbon monoxide. Then what is the mechanism for loss of carbon monoxide? We can write the another resulting structure. It is a enol form. We can write the keto form, and through this keto form, the migration of this single bond, loss of carbon monoxide occurs to produce cyclohexadienyl cation, which have mass to charge ratio 79. This is the fragment which have mass to charge ratio 79. This is the structure of fragment which have mass to charge ratio 79. Further, this dicyclohexyl cation undergoes loss of hydrogen molecule. There is a loss of hydrogen molecule to use phenylcation. This phenylcation have mass to charge ratio 77. There is a formation of phenylcation. The cyclohexadienzyl cation undergoes loss of hydrogen molecule to give phenyl cation, and this phenyl cation undergoes loss of acetylene molecule. If there is loss of acetylene takes place and formation of cyclobutadienyl cation, which have mass to charge ratio 51. This is the molecular ion which are fragment, which are mass to charge ratio 108. This is the fragment ion. This is the structure of fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 107. This is the structure of fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 79, and this is the structure of fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 77, and this is the structure of fragment ion which is mass to charge ratio 51. This is the possible way of fragmentation for the aryl alcohol. The aryl alcohol undergoes first alpha cleavage by loss of hydrogen radical to produce benzyl carbocation. This benzyl carbocation is well stabilized by electron donating resonance effect of oxygen. We can write this oxonium ion in the form of benzyl carbocation. It undergoes further rearrangement to convert into the hydroxytroponium ion, and this hydroxytroponium ion further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to produce this cyclohexadienzyl cation, which have mass to charge ratio 77, and then it undergoes loss of hydrogen molecule to produce fragment ion phenylcation, which have mass to charge ratio 77. This phenylcation undergoes loss of neutral molecule acetylene. Cyclobutadienyl cation is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 51. This is the possible fragmentation for the aryl alcohol. This is represented by taking benzyl alcohol as example. Then consider the next functional group and their fragmentation pattern. Then consider the another group. Consider the functional group. The fragmentation pattern for phenols. Then what is the fragmentation pattern for the phenolic compound? What is the characteristic features for the mass spectrum of phenolic compound? The first characteristic feature for the mass spectrum of phenol, the molecular ion for phenolic compound are again strong. The molecular ion peak for the phenolic compound generally have strong or intense peak. The molecular ion peak for the phenolic compound are strong in nature. Generally, they have high intensity. In most of the phenolic compound, molecular ion peak generally as a base peak. In most of the phenolic compound, the molecular ion peak are base peak in the mass spectrum of most of the phenolic compounds. Then what is the fragmentation pattern for the phenolic compound? For the phenolic compound, then consider the fragmentation. We take the example, this phenol. The possible fragmentation for the phenolic compound are first, loss of hydrogen radical. The loss of hydrogen radical. The phenol undergoes after the formation of molecular ion. If this molecular ion is formed, then all phenolic compound undergoes loss of hydrogen radical to produce phenoxycation. This phenoxycation is formed, which have mass to charge ratio. Generally, it have mass to charge ratio m-1 unit. It is a 1 unit less from the molecular ion. It is a molecular ion. Through this molecular ion, loss of hydrogen radical takes place. the oxycation is formed. This oxycation fragment is formed. This oxycation have mass less than 1 unit from the molecular ion. Through this, it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Through this oxycation, loss of carbon monoxide occurs. The loss of carbon monoxide occurs to give the fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 65. The first loss of hydrogen radical gives the M-1 fragment ion. This M-1 fragment ion undergoes the loss of carbon monoxide to give the fragment ion cyclopentadienyl cation which have mass to charge ratio 65. In another way, the fragment ion at 65 also formed. Consider through this molecular ion, phenol form convert into its keto form. The phenol form can be converted into this keto form, and through this keto form, loss of carbon monoxide occurs. Through this keto form, loss of carbon monoxide occurs to give odd electron fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 66. It is M-28 fragment ion. It is M-28 fragment ion. This phenolic form converted into the keto form, and this keto form it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide neutral molecule to give cyclopentadiene. This odd electron fragment ion, but their mass is even number. It is M-28. From the molecular ion, only carbon monoxide is eliminated. From the molecular ion weight, only 28 atomic mass unit is less. This M-28 fragment ion is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 66. Then further it undergoes loss of hydrogen radical. One of the hydrogen radical. Loss of hydrogen radical take place to give again cyclopentadienyl cation, which have mass to charge ratio 65. This is the possible mode of fragmentation in phenolic compound. Loss of hydrogen radical to give M-1 fragment. In every phenolic compound, oxycation is formed. This oxycation undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to give fragment ion. It is generally M-29. Carbon monoxide has weight 28. The hydrogen have weight 128 plus 129. This overall molecular ion, the loss of formyl radical eliminate, H and CO, formyl radical eliminate, and the total weight of formyl radical is 29. Is the formation of this peak. This peak are generally M-29 peak. From molecular ion, phenolic compound first converted into the keto form, and through this keto form it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to give the fragment ion cyclopentadiene, which have mass to charge ratio 66. It is M-28 fragment ion, and if it undergoes loss of hydrogen radical, there is a formation of M-29 fragment ion, which have mass to charge ratio 65. This is a possible way of fragmentation in phenolic compound. In case of alkyl substituted phenol, what is the possible way of fragmentation? The alkyl substituted phenol. Then consider the possible way of fragmentation for alkyl substituted phenolic compound. Consider this example. This phenol have alkyl substitute. After the electron ionization, consider it have longest chain. Alkyl substituent present on phenolic ring. After the formation of molecular ion, it undergoes loss of the cleavage of benzylic bond takes place. The cleavage of benzylic bond to gives benzyl carbocation. There is a formation of benzyl carbocation take place. We already discussed in the fragmentation of aromatic hydrocarbon. Alkyl substituted aromatic compound generally undergoes alpha cleavage to produce benzyl carbocation, and further this benzyl carbocation undergoes rearrangement and converted into the trophonium ion. By 1,2 hydrogen shift and migration, then consider this benzyl cation is formed. This benzyl carbocation undergoes 1,2 hydrogen shift simultaneously, 1,2 single bond migration, and it is converted into the hydroxytrophonium ion. It is converted into this hydroxytrophonium ion. This hydroxytrophonium ion, it is generally, this fragment are formed at mass to charge ratio 107 by loss of alkyl radical in this alpha cleavage process, benzylic bond cleavage. The fragment ion is formed which have mass to charge ratio 107. Then this benzyl carbocation undergoes rearrangement and converted into the hydroxytrophonium ion. This hydroxytrophonium ion undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Then how to this carbon monoxide is eliminated? The first it undergoes rearrangement. This enol converted into the enolic form first converted into this keto form, and the loss of carbon monoxide occurs. The loss of carbon monoxide occurs to use again this cyclohexane dienyl cation. And we can write this conjugated form, cyclohexane dienyl cation. It have mass to charge ratio 79. This is the mass to charge ratio 79. Further, it undergoes loss elimination of acetylene. So cyclohexane dienyl cation, loss of acetylene occurs to produce fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 53, and through this cyclohexane dienyl cation, if loss of 2 hydrogen molecules, elemental hydrogen, loss of hydrogen molecule occurs to produce the fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 77, and from this it undergoes again loss of phenyl cation generally undergoes loss of acetylene neutral molecule to produce fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio. This have mass to charge ratio 51. What is the possible fragmentation for phenolic compound? We have discussed. For phenolic compound, it undergoes loss of hydrogen radical, oxycation is formed, which have M-1 fragment. This oxycation undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to give M-29 fragment free, which have mass to charge ratio 65. Then, if alkyl substituted phenolic compound also undergoes fragmentation, the first alkyl substituted phenolic compound undergoes ionization to produce molecular ion. This molecular ion undergoes loss of alkyl by breaking or cleavage of benzylic bond. Alkyl radical eliminate, benzyl carbocation is formed, and this benzyl carbocation undergoes rearrangement and converted into the hydroxytrophonium ion. This hydroxytrophonium ion undergoes rearrangement and further loss of carbon monoxide to produce cyclohexane dienyl cation at mass to charge ratio 79. Cyclohexane dienyl cation undergoes loss of acetylene to produce fragment P, at mass to charge ratio 53. Cyclohexadienol cation undergoes loss of elemental hydrogen molecule to use fragment ion phenyl cation which have mass to charge ratio 77, and it further loss of acetylene gives cyclobutadienyl cation which have mass to charge ratio 51. Then consider the example for fragmentation of phenolic compound. Then consider one example. Then consider this phenol, precresol. In the mass spectrum of precresol, it gives fragment with 108, 107, 80, 79, 77, 53 and 51. Then show the structure of fragment ion at this mass to charge ratio. What is the structure of ions at this mass to charge ratio? What is the fragmentation? Then consider the mechanism for fragmentation. The first, this phenolic compound undergoes electron ionization. This phenolic compound undergoes electron ionization. We can write this way, or molecular ion also represented by this way. This molecular ion is formed which have mass to charge ratio 108. After the formation of molecular ion, consider after the formation of molecular ion, we already discussed it undergoes loss of benzylic bond. There is no longer change, methyl group, then hydrogen radical is eliminated. After the loss of hydrogen radical, there is a formation of benzyl cation takes place. This benzyl carbocation is formed. It is M-1 fragment. It have weight less than 1 unit from the molecular ion. M-1 fragment, their mass to charge ratio is 107. Then it undergoes rearrangement. We can represent it, the mechanism. This benzyl carbocation can be converted into the trophonium ion. Benzyl carbocation can be converted into the hydroxytrophonium ion, and this hydroxytrophonium ion, it is an enol form. It converts into the keto form, and through this keto form, it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Through this keto form, it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Loss of carbon monoxide to give cyclohexadienol cation at mass to charge ratio 79. Through this cyclohexadienol cation, loss of acetylene. The loss of acetylene takes place to use fragment which have mass to charge ratio 53. The cyclohexadienol cation undergoes loss of two elemental hydrogen molecules. The hydrogen molecule eliminates. The loss of hydrogen molecule to use phenyl cation. It is a simple mechanism for loss of hydrogen. The first hydrogen eliminates, phenyl benzene ring is formed, and this benzene ring undergoes loss of second hydrogen radical. Directly formation of phenyl cation takes place. The first loss of one hydrogen, benzene is formed, and after the formation of benzene, the second hydrogen is eliminated to form phenyl cation, and this phenyl cation have mass to charge ratio 77, After the formation of this phenyl cation, it undergoes loss of hydrogen radical to produce cyclobutyl dienyl cation. The cyclobutadiene cation has mass to charge ratio 51. Then this is the what is the structure of fragmentine at mass to charge ratio 108? This is the fragmentine. What is the fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 107? It is hydroxy tropodium ion or benzyl carbocation. What is the fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 79? Cyclohexadiene cation. Then what is the fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 77? And what is the fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 53 and 51? This is the 51 fragment and this is the 53 fragment. Then what is the structure of fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 80? Then consider this phenolic compound, this alkyl substituted phenolic compound. This molecular ion undergoes first ketoenol tautomerism. It undergoes ketoenol tautomerism, and after this ketoenol tautomerism, it again undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. It undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. There is a formation of methyl substituted cyclopentadiene is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 85 carbons, 5 into the 5 into 6, 72. The total number of carbons are 6, 6 into 6. The 6 into 12, 72, and 72 plus 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 3, 8, 72 plus 8. This fragmentine have mass to charge ratio 80. This is the fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 80. This is the structure of fragmentine which have mass to charge ratio 80. This is the fragmentation for phenolic compounds. In fragmentation pattern of phenolic compound, we discuss then what is the possible way of fragmentation of phenolic compound. What is the characteristic feature for the mass spectrum of phenols? The mass spectrum of phenolic compound generally shows strong molecular ion peak. It shows the characteristic intense or strong molecular ion peak, and generally in most of the phenolic compound, molecular ion peak generally as a base peak. What is the base peak? In the mass spectrum, the peak which have maximum or highest intensity, about 100% intensity, this peak are generally known as base peak. In phenolic compound, in the most of the phenolic compound, molecular ion peak generally as a base peak, because what is the base peak for generally most stable fragment ion? In most of the phenolic compound, molecular ion is the base peak. What is the possible way of fragmentation? Loss of hydrogen radical to produce oxycation, further loss of carbon monoxide, M-29 loss of formyl cation take place to produce cyclopentadiene cation fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 65. Then another way of fragmentation by ketoenol tautomerism in molecular ion, loss of carbon monoxide occurs. After the loss of carbon monoxide, it gives the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 66. It is M-28 fragment ion, and further it undergoes loss of hydrogen radical to produce again M-29, which is cyclopentadiene cation. In case of alkyl substituted phenolic compound, the cleavage of benzylic bond occurs to produce benzyl carbocation or benzyl cation as a fragment ion. This benzyl cation fragment ion further undergoes rearrangement. This hydroxy tropodium ion is formed, and this hydroxy tropodium ion further loss of carbon monoxide to give cyclohexadiene cation at mass to charge ratio 79. Then it undergoes loss of acidity to produce fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 53. The loss of hydrogen molecule to produce phenyl cation at mass to charge ratio 77. It further loss of acetylene molecule, neutral acetylene produce fragmentine cyclobutadiene cation at mass to charge ratio 51. And for fragmentine AT, the phenol first convert into the keto form, and through this keto form it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide, substituted the methyl substituted cyclopentadiene fragmentine is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 80. In next lecture, we discuss the fragmentation of sulfur containing compound. What is the characteristic feature for the mass spectra of sulfur compound and their fragmentation pattern? Thank you very much. Now, today we stop here.